According to National Electrical Code Article 210.23, A1, a branch circuit is defined as a circuit connecting a source of power to the outlets it supplies. The circuit in question connects the electrical panel, which is the source of power, to a receptacle outlet, a switch outlet, and a fixture outlet. All of these outlets are located within the same bathroom, making it a single branch circuit as defined by the NEC. To further clarify, consider the exception to 210.23. A1. Exception 2 states that receptacle outlets installed in kitchens, pantries, breakfast rooms, dining rooms, or similar areas primarily used for preparing or serving food must be supplied by at least two separate branch circuits. It is crucial to note that this exception does not apply to bathrooms. Therefore, the requirement for separate branch circuits in these food preparation areas cannot be extended to bathrooms. It is also helpful to consider similar situations that the NEC allows. NEC 210.50 B2 permits multiple outlets on a single branch circuit within a kitchen. Similarly, NEC 210.11 C1 allows for multiple outlets on a single branch circuit within a living room. These examples illustrate that the NEC does not inherently prohibit multiple outlets on a single branch circuit, provided specific requirements are met and no prohibitions exist. Based on the NEC definition of a branch circuit and the absence of any prohibition against multiple outlets in a bathroom on a single branch circuit, the interpretation suggesting a violation is erroneous. The described circuit configuration complies with the NEC requirements for a branch circuit. It is important to understand the structure and intent of the NEC to correctly apply its provisions. The NEC is designed to ensure electrical safety through specific requirements, and it is equally important to recognize where those requirements do not apply. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and seek clarification from qualified electrical professionals when in doubt to ensure safe and compliant installations. Remember that local amendments to the NEC may exist. Check with your local authority having jurisdiction for any specific rules or regulations that may apply in your area.